Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're going to work on installing some off-brand running boards on the 2010 Dodge Ram 2500. All right guys, so we got it open now. These are eBay like $120 running boards. I've seen a couple of them around town. I thought they would look really good for the price. So far, I mean, they look pretty good. I've bought some before that seemed really cheap. These aren't the best quality, but for the price, you can't beat it. After looking it over a little bit, each one of these brackets have a sticker on it saying where they go, front right, front left. It's based off of sitting inside the truck, the driver's side being the left and the passenger side being the right. We're going to go ahead and attach the brackets to the running boards first and then hold it up and install it. Guys, so I climb under here and I see these empty holes, and so I figured the clips went up through this first hole and kind of hang down. Well, those four down there were just empty holes, but these two actually still had rivets. Guys, so it got a little dark outside before I was able to finish, but I pulled it in the garage and I was able to finish it. It's a little tight in here, so I couldn't get good videos, but I will go ahead and get some footage tomorrow and talk a little bit more about it. What up, guys? It's the next day. You can see the running boards a whole lot better in the sunlight now. Got them installed. I installed them opposite of what the instructions said, just because it looked better. So it could have been my fault misreading the instructions. They move a little bit, but they're functioning. They work like they should. They do move, but they do hold my weight, and it's a little weird stepping out on a small step, but it's definitely better than breaking my ankle, which I've almost done twice now. It's definitely a step up there, but overall it looks pretty good. So there we have it. The off-brand running boards have been installed. Again, for like 120 bucks, you can't beat it. They're actually really good so far. Go ahead and leave a comment down below if you have questions or any comments about what I can do better. Leave a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe. We got a couple more videos coming.